So here, let's have a look at the various rock cycles. So in our previous lesson, we covered igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks, and also sedimentary rocks. All right, so you need to know the difference between those three rocks. So over millions of years, rocks slowly change from one type into another. And this process is called the rock cycle. And this diagram here shows you exactly how this cycle works. So first of all, what we have here is the volcanic eruption through this volcano, and the magma then flows down this volcano where the arrows are going, and small particles of rock sediments are transported by rivers, for example, as well. And these small particles from the rivers go into the sea. And when these particles of sediment go into the sea, they filter through to form sedimentary rocks. They're sedimentary rocks, and through movement of plate tectonics causes heat and pressure, and they turn into what we call metamorphic rocks. And metamorphic rocks are then melted through the volcano, and they become molten rock magma, which then forms and cools, and that turns into what we call igneous rocks. So can you see the cycle that goes all the way around? And then through volcanic eruptions and through weather, those small particles and other particles mixed up form what we call, are transported through rivers into seas, and then they turn into sedimentary rock. This then helps at the sedimentary rocks in terms of the plate tectonics underground and the heat and the pressure underground, which then turn sedimentary rocks into metamorphic rocks. And then metamorphic rocks will melt and then form into molten rock magma, which further will cool and turn into igneous rock. So this is the rock cycle. Study this in detail and answer the follow-up questions that you have, and we'll go into this in a little bit more detail in our next class. Good luck.